5 side hustles that will make you extra money in 2025, no skills needed. Imagine waking up to money you earned while you were sleeping. Sounds crazy? It's not. Today I'll show you real side hustles that anyone can start, even if you're broke, busy, or have zero experience. Watch till the end because the last hustle could replace your full-time income. Why extra income matters. Right now, prices are rising, bills are growing, but your income is staying the same. That's why extra income is no longer optional. It's a survival skill. And the good news? You can start earning more today. Side hustle number 1, digital skills you can sell. The first side hustle is learning a fast digital skill, like graphic design, copywriting, video editing, or social media management. You don't need a degree. There are free tutorials everywhere. Start practicing, then offer your service on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even Instagram. People are earning $50 to $300 per job, even beginners. Side hustle number 2, selling digital products. Hustle number 2, create digital products. Ebooks, templates, planners, checklists, designs. Anything that solves a small problem. Make it once and sell it forever. Passive income. Some creators earn thousands per month with one digital product. Side hustle number 3, affiliate marketing. Side hustle number 3 is affiliate marketing, recommending products and earning a commission. You don't need to buy anything. You don't need to ship anything. Just share a link to something useful. Side hustle number 4, AI side hustles. Number 4 is AI-powered hustles. Tools like ChatGPT, Design AI, and Editing AI can help you create content fast. You can use AI to write blogs, generate logos, make social media posts, or even edit videos for clients. Side hustle number 5, reselling. Hustle number 5, reselling. Buy low, sell high. Phones, gadgets, clothes, shoes, or household items. Some people make $500 to $2,000 per month doing simple flipping. How to choose the best side hustle. Here's the secret. Don't try all at once. Choose one hustle, master it, then scale. Consistency is the only real unlock. You don't need permission to start earning more. You just need a phone, internet, and a little discipline. Your financial life can change, but only if you take the first step. If you want more side hustle ideas, money tips, and income guides, hit the subscribe button, like this video to help someone else discover new ways to earn, and comment what side hustle you think you will be starting today.